Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to find your independent bank account number and routing number. Open the website independentbank.com, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your independent checking account at the middle part of the screen. Click on your One account. At the right side of this page, you will see your account details. To view your account number, click on the option that says Show Account Number. That's how you find your independent bank account number and routing number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.